That's right, Manscaped. Fellas, the holidays is here. Ladies, if you're watching, the holidays is here, and it's near, and it's now, or it's never. I've been preaching the gospel for months now. Let me ask you a question. Do you wash your hair? Oh, you do? You wash your hair? What you wash your hair with? That's it? It's just soap? Water? That's it? That's gross! Need I say more? Need I say more? Yes! Yes! Yes. Let me ask you another question. Do you use cologne? Oh, you do? That's crazy. Because, like, hello, refined cologne from Manscaped? Yeah, I'm letting them know right now. Yeah, that's crazy. They be using, like, regular degular. You feel me? Like, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna tell them. Get it. Fam, the holidays can be stressful. We all know that. You don't know what to get your girl. Your girl don't know what to get you. Listen, that's why Santa Claus is here for y'all. You hear me? I'm Santa Claus with a cause. This is Manscaped's Perfect Package 4.0 kit. It comes with everything fellas. You put deodorant under your arms, right? Put it under your balls. With Manscaped's Crop Preserver, this is ball deodorant. You spray cologne on, don't you? Use it on your nuts. Manscaped's Crop Reviver Ball Toner. A little sk will get you gawked. I probably can't say that. You get haircuts, don't you? Haircut your balls with Manscaped's Lawnmower 4.0. Look at this bad girl. You heard that? That's over 7,000 RPMs. That's fast, bro. Advanced skin and safe technology, ceramic blades, LED light to indicate where your battery level is, wireless charging, waterproof, and it works. Say what? How do you get that? Like that. That simple. It's that simple. That simple. I did what I had to do. Now it's time to do what you gotta do. Tap in. Tap in with Manscaped right now. Right now. Alright. I'm glad I was able to help you. And as always, thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring this video.
Really, babe?
Sicky poo. You sick, girl?
Man.
She's sick, everybody. Well, what's up? Today is Honda's to Orlando. But I'm not really focused on going to Honda's to Orlando. I am focused on getting a brand new front bumper for Akira, the 8th Gen SI. I'm going from 06 to 08 to 09 to 11. Homie reached out to me through my post. He replied to my story. And now he's like, bro, I got a brand new one with the, like it has the grills. I insert pictures on the screen. Yeah. Got that for 40 bucks. The homie Vince is gonna drive down from Jacksonville and meet me to, gather with me. And he's gonna do the exchange. He also gonna give me an Integra bumper. So I'm picking up 2 bumpers today with 1 stone, 2 birds, 1 stone type thing. That's kind of messed up. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Who thought of that? So that's what's going on today. Yeah. Let's get this vlog started. Roll the intro. Update on the Integra. There is no update. Still no harness, but that might be for great measure. The homie Xavier texted me and was like, yo, I might be sending you a new harness. So we gon' see, fam. We gon' see. What's going on, Florida? Don't play with me. Play with your bitch. All right, we made it to Orlando. We made it to fun spots. Just trying to figure out where the hell to go. I don't even know where the car thing is at, but I'm here. I gotta poop so bad, bruh. Oh, Lord, my stomach. Y'all ever drink water fast in the morning and you get like something is like punctured your stomach? That's how I feel, dog. Now I got a boo-boo. Where's this Harness to Orlando event though? It's a lot of slingshots. It'd be a shame if someone from down south come look at these. I'm just not playing. I'll throw some TEs on it. Throw some RSX stocks on it. Where is this car event, bruh? All right, I made it to Old Town. We are here. Got some free parking, parked in the street. Cause you must be sick. Now I'm gonna go find Honda Pro Jason and Mark from Honda Street Garage so I can do this little collab project, meet up with Vince for my bumpers, and take my ass back down home.
She let you come? Look.
Of course. What am I? 4? Mom, can I go? Are you sick? Adam's in the flesh, Mark's in the flesh, Honda Pro Jason's in the flesh. We're all here at Honda to Orlando. Yeah, this is wild.
I know.
Period correct, son. Period correct. That's gonna be so sick. What's up, Popeye?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. It's been like this off and on.
We got some 8th gens here. We got an FD1. We have the Mugen RR front on a at USDM with the Mag Blue 5070Rs. This thing is beautiful. It works. It works. I love the Mugen front bumper, man. Got Popeye out here chilling. Look at that. That's big bro. That's your big brother right there. You know that, right? That's crazy. And they're both champ white too.
You see that right there? That one over there?
That's the slingshot, right?
Yeah, I did that on one day. One night I did it probably like 4 times.
Oh nah, you crazy. I can't even do that. I probably shit myself. Nope. Got a nice little EG right here. The homie Danny. Oh, he gotta add. Oh, he gonna have to add him a sticker right here. Oh no. Oh no. We gotta add us a Zosh sticker on this bad girl. I don't know where, but we'll figure it out. Probably like right here. Woo. Let me film a little more cars before I get out of here.
Thank you.
Supercharged. Craftwork, baby.
Okay. I must have made 1 out of 1 9, but you're gonna give it to somebody else.
I met him, right? And he was like, man, I'm a massive fan.
Alright, so all the homies are gone. It was great to see Adam. Now, I'm on my way to meet up with Vince to get my bumpers. I got a hoodie from Rilo Shift Hard, the homie Popeye. So right now I'm heading to go meet up with Vince to get my bumpers and head home for my brother's birthday dinner. Got a nice little vlog action for y'all today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now it's time to get out of here.
Before we had Donda as an idea for a design company, and he basically had the laptop. We would be in a Japanese room, and we had the opportunity to work at Fendi, and this guy named Michael Burke was now the head of Louis Vuitton, who actually a higher Virgil.
Welcome to Orlando.
I be talking to him, so I'm doing all.
Look at that up top, the pink one.
You wrong for this one. You won't win.
That's
this.
wow.
Telling me you shouldn't have ran on stage. You were rude. God forbid. So, I'm there. Then we get the.
This nigga got hair again, bitch. That boy Vince. So we have made it to where we met up. That boy Vince.
Gonna be dry. An extra hour.
Hey, y'all gotta get some homeboy like Vince, man. You know what I mean? Look out for your dogs always, man. What happened, bit dog? Yeah, that shit look fresh, bro. You got hoes on it.
Nah, hey.
So what I'm picking up today from the homie Vince is this Integra bumper and my new 8th gen bumper. That shit fit in here perfect. Yeah. Wait, this tab is good.
No, it's kind of.
Oh, that one over there? Oh, no big deal.
And right here. Is it on here? It's cut somewhere, I think. No, it's not.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's normal.
I was cutting right here. I was cutting the.
Oh, I can plastic weld down that shit. Yeah, but yeah, I got my bumpers, load these bitches up, and get my ass back down home. I'm later than a muff. This is my first time seeing our. Oh, the bait came out good.